How to fix挂机手游模拟器keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now wait for this process as it might take a while. And once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the game's exe file. Right click on it and again go to properties, compatibility tab, and check both of these options right here. Click on OK and then close this folder. Now you want to go to general tab and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you can close this window. Now you want to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA GPUs you will need NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers section and check for updates and download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install it. Now once you do that, you will most likely need to restart your computer, and after a computer restart you'll simply launch Steam and start playing the game again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.